Hey everyone, and welcome to Stuff Moms Have Time For. Today I'm doing something a little bit different, and I'm actually participating in a collaboration with 3 other YouTube moms. So what we decided to do was make different videos based on different special days that fall in the month of February. And the day that I have chosen to do is Stuffed Mushroom Day. Believe it or not, that's an actual thing. February 4th is Stuffed Mushroom Day. If you are coming over from the previous video, thank you guys for clicking on the video, and please click the subscribe button and stick around. I would love to have you. Also, when you're finished watching my video, I'm gonna lead you to the next special February day, which is So Not Super Mom's channel, and Jasmine does videos on cleaning motivation and makeup tutorials and all things motherhood, so check her out. All right, so we're gonna get started on doing the stuffed mushroom recipe. I actually can't take full credit. It's actually my husband's recipe, but I love it so much that I thought I would share it with all of you guys for Stuffed Mushroom Day. Let's get started on this recipe.
So this is everything you're gonna need to make this recipe. I'm gonna use chili powder, garlic powder, salt, pepper, crab meat, and also 1 egg, some mustard, as well as some Worcestershire sauce. And then I'm going to stuff portobellos today because we usually use this recipe actually for dinner. I also forgot to put here some breadcrumbs. You're just gonna set your oven to 250 degrees, and then you're just gonna crack an egg into a bowl, whisk it really well. I will leave in the description box below all of the exact measurements for this, and then add Worcestershire sauce, salt and pepper, the chili powder, and the garlic to the egg. Then you're gonna add some mustard to it and then mix everything together. Open up your crab meat and then put all the crab meat into the sauce. Now I'm gonna switch to a spoon to cover the crab meat just because I wanna try to keep all the chunks intact and not break it up too much. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of breadcrumbs. So it should be a little bit of a softer consistency than what you would ever use to make a crab cake. Then you're just gonna wash your portobello mushrooms and take the stems out and then fill them with the crab meat filling. So these, like I said, are for dinner, but you can use smaller mushrooms and use the filling to fill them and use them as appetizers instead. Then you're just gonna pop them in the oven. I left it at 250 and I cooked them for about an hour. You'll know when they're done when the mushroom is nice and soft and the top of the crab meat is a little bit crispy. If you like crab meat and you like mushrooms, this is an amazing meal, so I hope you guys give this one a try.
And that's it. You can put all of that filling in smaller mushrooms if you don't choose to use portobello. You can really use whatever mushrooms you like. You can make it an appetizer if you want. I just happen to love it as dinner. Please let me know if you make this recipe, what you guys think of it. Leave me a comment below, and also you can post on Instagram. I love when people tag me in things that they make that I'm making. Also, don't forget to check out Jasmine's video. I will put it in the link below, and I will see you guys next time.